This video was sponsored by yerba mate. I wish. I'm gonna go get a haircut now. This is my outfit. My layers are just gone. Really don't like how long my curtains are right now. This is crazy to me because I always get them cut like here and then they grow really long, really fast. My grandma made this. It's so cool. I'm wearing Skims and Kai. My grandma and I don't know where this red top was from. And then my Nikes. They don't match with my outfit, but they were just easy. I am really happy. I'm really happy with this haircut. I'm back home, chilling here with Mufa a little bit. Yeah. He's my cutie pie. So handsome. So cute. So cute. What shall we do today, Mufa? Atlas is inside. He barks at a lot of people passing by, so sometimes I leave him inside. And sometimes I'll have him outside. Unless, Mufa, look here. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Atlas is like, woo, 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 woo. And then Mufa is like, hi. Mufa, do you know how handsome you are? Do you know how cute you are? And do you know how special you are? Look at these green gray eyes. You have beautiful emeralds on your face. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Look at that. Okay, so I got ready. This time I didn't forget my sunscreen. Alice, I just put my sunscreen on. Okay, so I just started the trail. We are at Coyote Hills. This is the marsh, but you'll see the marsh better from a little higher point. It's a beautiful day. It's actually, I didn't know it was gonna be this windy. I didn't think it was windy today. I actually was like, oh, am I too dressed up? I was like, oh, maybe I should have worn shorts. But then this is cold right now. This is the marsh, it's so nice. So we're gonna go this way because we're gonna come back from that way. That's the Nike trail. We're gonna do the Bayview trail and they connect eventually. I don't even know if my voice can be heard in this vlog with this amount of wind. My hair feels so good. I don't want to change my outfit. I think this is pretty good. Really nice. Today's a really good day. What the hell? What was that? That was so loud. A lizard, maybe? So that's the Lizard Rock Trail. And that is the marsh again. It is so beautiful. Spring and fall, millions of birds travel along a migration route called the Pacific Flyway. By the way, I'm not sure if my eyelid can be seen here. I have allergies and my eye is swollen and it hurts, but I hope It doesn't show here. So there's an option to go here, here. We're gonna go here. It says running rough trail. Not really. What it's about is just the beautiful trail of May. Did you see the gopher? I think it was a gopher or something, or a squirrel. But I don't think it was a squirrel. So right across is Palo Alto Park and whatnot area. I really love the Bay Area, or California in general, because there's so many nature settings. Like here you can have a marsh right by your house. You know, there are birds and all sorts of wildlife, and then you can go up to the mountains and find different sorts of wildlife, and then you can go towards the ocean and find, you know, marine life and everything. It's just so amazing. That's why, you know, California is really special, because this setting, it cannot be compared with anywhere else really. You know, the ecosystem is different. So what I usually do is I take this trail up to this point, come here to this bench right here, and it says, you know, it goes up to Nike Trail, right? So I take the Nike Trail. You can definitely continue this, but I like to go from the Nike Trail, as you can see over there, up and then down and come back from the trail that I showed you guys. So I completed this trail maybe about 4 years ago. When I first moved here, this was one of the first trails that I've done. I mean, first hikes that I've done. So Nike Trail goes down that way, and the Red Hill Trail goes up there. That's a very steep one up. And you can also go up that way. And there's so many trails here. It's actually like really down. So we came all the way that way, went that way, came around, and now this is the way that it goes down. I don't want to do that today. I feel content with this hike. Little one. I think this was like an hour hike for me. So yeah. There's like a little picnic area there. You can, you know, have some food, barbecue, hang out. There are restrooms. It's really nice. Oh, and then they have a visitor center. So pretty. I just got back home. I got some Lazy Dog. I was really craving a burger, and I didn't want In-N-Out or McDonald's, so I went to Lazy Dog. And I also stopped by at 7-Eleven. I got some Coke, and then I also saw this Poppin' Boba drink. So I want to try this. It's peach and oolong tea. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but yeah, I'm excited about this. Poppin' Boba. So there's boba in here. We'll see. Baja California burger and some coleslaw. love food so much. I do a little food dance and I'm happy. Mm. 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 So good. Oh, it's so good. Oh, okay, that is a really good peach drink. It's a little chilly today. I made this. Look. I made this tumbler. It is so beautiful. It's called a snow globe tumbler. I can't really shake it right now because there's Coke in there, you know, but yeah, it's the cutest thing. I walked the boys together for a little bit. I'm gonna take them for their one-on-one walks with me soon. I'm gonna work out and then run some errands. I was thinking like maybe I should run the errands right now, but there's gonna be traffic. It's like 6 p.m. right now. It's really windy, but it's also warm. So, nice day. This is so cute. Okay, I have to come back because my boys are crying. So, you know, I'm gonna walk them one by one and then work out and then run some errands. I am gonna stop vlogging right now. And yeah, so I'll see you next time.